Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day, evening, or night to watch this. For today's video, I received my Boxycharm for the month of February. Today is Sunday. I did not expect a delivery on Sunday. So I haven't even opened it yet. So let's get this started. Got some trusty little scissors. Break that seal. All right, so here is the Boxycharm. This month, Adore is the theme. So not looking at the card too much, go ahead and see what I got. So I received the Evio Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Let's see if I can find that on here. So this contains 15 wipes. And I'll read the description on the card. These biodegradable multitasking Evio Skin times Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. I'm interested to try them. And these retail for $10 for 15 wipes. Next, I have the Amika SuperNova Moisture and Shine Cream. The description reads, SuperNova Moisture plus Shine Cream is a weightless leave-in cream that provides superior hydration, detangling, and lightweight conditioning, leaving hair supernaturally soft and smooth with brilliant shine. I like the leave-in creams. And this is what that looks like. It smells good. I've used Amika products in the past and I do like them. They are a very good brand. And the card states that this 3.3 fluid ounce product would cost $25. And I got this Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio. This vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush, bronzer brush, and a brightening brush, suitable for all skin types, delivering a flawless finish. Retail price is $36 for this. Oh, they're nice and soft. I'm planning on doing a chatty get ready with me, updates on what's going on with my back and stuff. So at that time I'll use these. Oh, this is one of those brushes that has those little bumps on it. And I always love me some brushes, so I'm very excited. Then I did receive this Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge. And this is, in the description, an edgeless, reusable, high-definition cosmetic sponge applicator. It's a very firm one, so I'll try this one out as well. This sponge retails for $21, and I will use this in an upcoming video. See how it works as compared to other beauty blenders that I've used. Last item in my box is this iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. And the description for this reads, create endless beautiful looks with these 20 highly pigmented shades. These velvety soft powders include a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and glitters for flawless day to night looks. And this retails for $62, and I chose to get this. We got to choose our product, and I wanted to try this brand. So it comes with a decent sized mirror. And this is an up close of the palette. first is in the nude. Champagne Chick. That's pretty. 24 karat gold. And then Deep Soul. VIP Vibes. Copper Me Fancy. I like that name, it's cute. Ultimate Tan. And Closing Party. That one's pretty. Okay. Bronze Bay. Taupe de Taupe. That's a unique name. Merlot Mondays. Let's see if I get that a little bit. There we go. And then Velvet Crush. That is really pretty. Okay. Peaches and Dream. Peaches and Dreams. Peach Fizz. Bellini. Rags to Riches. And then the last row, we have Icon, Marshmallow. That would be a good brow bone highlight. I'm going to have to go down a little further. Wonderland. And then Girl Boss. I know I didn't do such a great job. I will say all the metallics swatched so very nice. The mattes, again, I never judge an eyeshadow palette due to finger swatches because they may not swatch well with the finger and then work fabulously on the eye with brushes. So I will keep you guys apprised. I think that this week I'll start working on doing a couple of looks with this palette. It's very pretty. I like the color story. I'm just happy that we have the option to get these subscription boxes and products that we may never have purchased on our own. We get them in the Boxycharm, and I really appreciate that. Like last month, we got the Ace Butte, and I had never purchased them, and I am in love with that palette. So I'm pretty pleased with my Boxycharm for this month. I have used Amika hair products in the past, and you know, I've liked them. And I'm excited to try some of these wipes, those new brushes that I got, and then the sponge. And I will leave all the details about Boxycharm down below in the description. It's $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items, and it's supposed to be valued over $125. And oh, we didn't even look at that, did we? Haha, Misty is slacking. My Boxycharm for the month of February, all the products totaled $154. $25 a month for my Boxycharm box, and I'm guaranteed 5 full-size products that are worth $125 or more. Again, I want to thank you for clicking on and watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Anyway, that's going to do it for me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Much love.